Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard here. Yes, then we come to rule number 3. It says number the carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain, ensuring that the branches, functional group, have the lowest possible numbers. Okay, let's look at an example here. If you have C and the C and the C and the C and the C, and you have the triple bond here. Okay, let's try to fill in the bonds and we see. We are going to say this one is missing how many? 3, because it has 1. Okay, this one has 2. It's missing how many? 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not missing anything. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. Not missing anything. This one has 1, 2, 3. Missing. Okay. According to the rules, they are saying that we should number so that we can give the functional group the smallest number. This is our functional group, a very important group. A group which determines the properties of this compound under consideration. Now you need to know that when you number from this side, you're going to say 1, 2, and 3. So our functional group will come at 3. When you number from this side, it's going to be 1, 2. And they are saying you number from the side which gives the functional group or the branch the smallest number. And now we are going to number from this side because it gives our functional group the smallest number. Okay, let's try numbering and we see it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So the question is, what is the parent name for an organic compound with 5 carbon atoms? The parent name is pentane. But because you have a triple bond, so it's not an alkane, it's an alkyne. So the parent name is pentyne. Okay. So if it is pentyne, how do you deal with the positioning of the triple bond? You count 1, 2, and the name becomes 2-pentyne. Okay. But now there is also another acceptable way. Actually, it's the way they are going to set examination in. We say pent to ine. This is the method they are going to use to set your exams in. Let me repeat this. Both names are acceptable. But when they are setting examination, they use the second. So which means that it's very important that you know both approaches of naming. Yeah, so comes these questions to attempt. The statement says that write UPAC name of each of the compounds below. Okay. Yes, what do we do? You come here, remember, we are numbering from the side which gives the branch, the functional group, the smallest number. If you count from this side, you're going to say 1, 2, 3, because what you are having here is the functional group. And the side which gives it the smallest number is this side, so it's 1, 2. So you number 1, you say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, and a 4. So with that, what is the UPAC name? First of all, 4 is supposed to be a butane, but now it has a bromide here, so it's a bromo. So the name is going to be 2-bromo-butane. Now, in writing the name, there are some rules we follow. When you write a number and you're moving from a number to a word, you use a dash. And these two words are one. We don't separate them. Okay, let's come here. What do we see here? We are seeing our compounds. Okay. And we are doing the counting. Which side are we counting from? Here is 1, 2. Here is 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be our number 1, our number 2, our number 3, our number 4. And if that is true, then you have the name. The name is 2. 2 what? 1, 2, oh, we missed 1. There are 5, eh? Yes, 5. So it's going to be 2. So it's a 5 is pentane, but it has a double bond, so it's a pentene. The name is 2-pentene. Okay. Yes. Or we can use the other version, which is going to come in examination. What does it say? It says it says this is paint to in. Yes, we need you get used to, because this is the one they are going to use in examination, but this one looks to be simpler. Okay, let's go to this one. We choose the side. Which one is the side? Obviously this side, so going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What does 5 mean? 5 means it's a pentane, but it has a carbonyl in the middle. So it's a pentanone. And what is it? It's number 2. So what is it going to be? 2-pentanone. Okay. Or we can use the other side, which is going to come in examination. What does it say? Pentan 2-on. You have to show the difference here. For alkene and alkynes, the N is is that side. While for this one, the N is this side. So take note of that. Then we come to this one. You have to count from the side which gives the OH the smallest number. That side is this side, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what is the name? The name is 2-butanol. Or if you don't want that method, you can use another one. The one which is going to be used in examination. What is it? Butane 2-ol. Please remember that for alcohols, okay, like for ketones, N is before the number. And that is very important so that you don't make mistakes. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Yes, stay with us. We are simply the best.